How to create a business account on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to create a business account on Facebook. So in order to create a business account on Facebook, first thing first, make sure that you have a personal account or that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to create an account. Otherwise, you'll have to begin from the very first step, that is by creating your personal account and then beginning with creating your business account. Now to begin with, you'll need to open up a browser, and then on the web address bar you need to go ahead and type in business.facebook.com. So you can either log in with your Facebook or log in with the Instagram, or you can go ahead and create an account. Be sure, go ahead and tap on create an account from the bottom right hand side corner. Now you begin with creating an account. So in order to create a business account, you'll need to go ahead and enter in your public name of the business, and after that your name. So once you're done providing the following information, now you'll need to confirm your email. So click the done button, and after that you'll be receiving some sort of verification which you'll need to in order to confirm your email address or to verify your email address. After you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see that your business account has been successfully set. Now you can go ahead and create pages and all sort of thing. So you can also add bio, description, whatsoever, and that's basically how you can create a Facebook business account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.